Nice weather for it. Aye, the rain's soothing. It is. Pass the tea.
Here you go, old friend. A little something for you. That's it, nice and easy. The rain will stop soon.
But it's so dark outside.
Look, the trees are moving. Come closer and see.
Wow!
Here you go, Grandma.
Thank you, dear.
Everything is delicious.
I love rainy nights like this. Me too.
This is delicious. I'm glad you like it, dear.
Can I have some more?
Of course, sweetie. Nice.
This rain is good for the crops. It is a blessing in disguise.